In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a voice in ElevenLabs. If you've created a custom voice or imported one for testing and you're ready to tidy up your library, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to remove it from your account. We'll keep things simple and focused so you can follow along in real time. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the ElevenLabs website. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account where the voice lives. If you manage multiple accounts or workspaces, double-check that you're in the right one before you proceed, since deletion applies to the account you're currently using. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Voices. This is your central hub for all voice management. Inside Voices, go to My Voices. This section lists the voices you've created or imported. If you have a long list, use the search bar or sorting options to quickly find the voice you want to remove. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct voice, especially if you have similar names, so you don't delete the wrong one by mistake. When you found the voice you want to delete, hover over it or look to the right side of that row. You'll see an icon with 3 dots which opens the Actions menu. Click the 3 dots, then choose Delete Voice. A confirmation prompt typically appears to help prevent accidental removals. Read the prompt carefully and confirm the deletion. If you don't see the delete option, it usually means you don't have permission to remove that voice or it's not one you own. In that case, switch to the correct account or check with whoever manages your workspace. After you confirm, the voice will be removed from your My Voices list. If it still appears, refresh the page to update the view. Keep in mind that deletion is permanent and cannot be undone. Any previously generated audio files will remain wherever you saved or exported them, but you won't be able to generate new audio with that deleted voice. If the voice was referenced in a project or preset, plan to swap it out before deleting to avoid errors later. That's all there is to it. Open ElevenLabs, go to Voices, find your voice in My Voices, click the 3 dots, and confirm Delete. A quick cleanup like this helps keep your workspace organized and makes it easier to find the voices you actually use. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat these steps whenever you need to tidy up your voice library.